Hey guys, this is Brandon Dugas of BD Custom Guitars coming to you with a quick sound check of the red and carbon fiber Strat build. I'm warning you guys now, I'm not the best guitarist. I do spend more time building than playing, but the point of this video is just to see how this thing sounds, so if you got a comment on the sound of the guitar, because it sounds pretty good. Alright, sounds good. To be honest with you, it sounds better than all my other guitars, and this is one of the cheaper guitars that I've built. Goes to show you that eBay parts are not always bad, even though they are most of the time. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and hope to see you again soon.